A world without sickness, the promise and perils of a universal cure. Hello, fellow seekers of knowledge and well-being. Today, we embark on a journey that has captured humanity's dreams for centuries. Join us as we explore the incredible notion of discovering a universal cure for all diseases, and the profound changes it would bring to our lives. Segment 1, the game-changing discovery. Imagine a world where scientists make an astonishing breakthrough, a universal cure that can heal all diseases. It's a revolutionary moment that has the potential to reshape our understanding of health and longevity. Segment 2, a world without disease. With a universal cure in hand, diseases that once plagued humanity would become a distant memory. People would live longer, healthier lives, free from the fear of chronic illnesses and infectious outbreaks. Segment 3, medical advancements. The universal cure would unlock new possibilities in medicine. Doctors could focus on preventive care, research, and improving overall well-being rather than constantly battling diseases. Segment 4, economic and social changes. The eradication of diseases would lead to substantial economic savings. Healthcare costs would plummet, and people could pursue their goals and dreams without the burden of medical expenses. Segment 5, ethical considerations. While a universal cure holds incredible promise, it also raises ethical questions. Who would have access to this cure, and at what cost? How would it impact the balance of power in the world? Segment 6, population challenges. Longer lifespans could lead to overpopulation. Society would need to adapt to accommodate a rapidly growing global population and address resource and environmental challenges. Segment 7, scientific exploration. With diseases no longer a threat, scientists could focus on exploring new frontiers of knowledge, from space exploration to unlocking the mysteries of the human mind. Segment 8, a balanced future. As we conclude our exploration, it's clear that the discovery of a universal cure would be a double-edged sword. While it holds immense potential for good, it also poses significant challenges that humanity must navigate with wisdom and foresight. The prospect of a world without sickness is tantalizing, but it's essential to consider the ethical, social, and environmental implications. The journey to a healthier future is filled with opportunities, responsibilities, and the need for balance. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening expedition into the realm of what if. If you found this exploration as captivating as we did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content that inspires curiosity and contemplation.